Hi guys, how's it going and welcome back to Skateboarding Tricks for Beginners. In today's episode 2, we're going to be taking a look at the frontside 180 and the backside 180. They call it the frontside 180 because you're looking forward to the future and everything looks great and golden, and the backside 180 is because you're looking back on the past and you think, I could have been a better person. Nah, I'm just kidding. They call it a frontside 180 because you're turning forward and you can see what's in front of you, and they call it backside 180 because you're turning backwards and you can see what's behind you. That's it. Simple skateboarding terminology explained. Okay, so in order to execute a frontside 180, you want to do an ollie, but while you're doing it, you want to wind your shoulders up a little bit, and as you pop, you want to unwind your shoulders and look over your front one. While you're doing this, your body will start to turn. You just jump and do a 180 like you would normally without a skateboard, but when you pop and look over your shoulder, your board should follow you like so. Common problems do include under rotating, and if that's happening, maybe try pop a little harder or wind your shoulders up a little more, maybe jump a bit faster. Sometimes you can land on your nose and pivot it round if you're feeling comfortable enough to do that, but that can get you into bad habits and stuff, so I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, pop hard, slide your front foot up like an ollie, wind them shoulders up, unrelease that tension, look over your shoulder, and everything should follow and work out. Another common problem is landing switch and shooting away just because your body's not comfortable enough to roll away switch yet. If that's happening, just ride around switch in your garden for a day or ride around in the streets just so your body feels comfortable rolling away in the opposite stance. And that's the frontside 180 summed up. Very basic, very easy. Like I said in episode 1, it's all about the mindset and the discipline, so if you go out and try this for a couple of hours, I'm guaranteed you'll get it. Okay, so now that's the frontside 180 clear, we're going to talk about the backside 180. The backside 180 is a little harder for some people. I myself prefer a backside 180, but it's just the way skateboarding is. Maybe you'll get a bit more comfortable and the backside 180 might work better for you. Or you could just be a frontside guy, who knows? Skateboarding's weird like that, everyone's different, it's great. Okay, so the backside 180, the foot position is a little different for this one. Front foot just like a normal ollie, but your back foot, you maybe want to have it completely flat on the tail just so you can push it and scoop the board around a little easier. You don't necessarily want to wind your shoulders up as much as a frontside 180, but you want to pop and scoop and look behind you straight away, and you want to look down as well. Looking down really helps to make the board do the full rotation. There's a bird. So you want to pop, push it, look down and behind you, your shoulders should follow suit, and that's a backside 180. People do find these a lot harder, like I said, but once you get comfortable with it, for some reason it just feels easier. Sometimes putting your weight on your front foot helps as well when you come to land it, so you can land on the nose and push your back foot round. That works for some people. So common problems with the backside 180, again like the front side one, shooting out and under rotating. Under rotation, pop, push around a little harder and just jump a little higher, like the front side one, easy. And again, landing switch, just ride around switch and just get comfortable. Skateboarding is all about being comfortable on your board. So if you put these tips and tricks into practice that I've told you today, hopefully you can go out and learn both these tricks, and do let me know in the comments if you do. If you have any more questions guys, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe because in tomorrow's video we're going to be taking a look at pop shovets. Yeah, that's it from me guys, let's cue the outro and I'll see you all in the next one in a bit.